Hello, this is the Fan Zhendong training in the Chinese Trial 2021. The Chinese Trial, held from 3 to 7 May, will review how ready the Chinese are with the Olympics being less than 90 days away. It is also a selection trial for the World Championship and the WTT Grand Smash. You can see that Fan Zhendong is pushing his racket. Why? Because before any new competition, the Chinese player often apply a new layer of booster. So Fan Zhendong wants to have a perfect gluing effect of the booster and the glue. The booster will expand the rubber, so the player needs to apply the rubber to have a correct gluing effect.